With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. What session management? Write a servlet program to demonstrate the use of HttpSession and its method setAttribute and getAttribute. Explain process of creating records using Spring Boot and Hibernate. Explain how testing of custom login form can be performed with the help of an example. And explain Spring MVC configuration process. Thank you so much for watching. If you need answer, contact us.